Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I have here a 2011 Honda CRV. I'm sure this kind of applies the same to 2010 and probably previous models as well. The issue here, which I couldn't find anywhere online, so I had to just dig in and figure out myself. When you turn on the recirculation button, whether it's on or off, if you actually start, first of all, when you have it on and you still have air coming in through the vents, that means the flapper, which is back there, which I'll show you guys when I turn this off, basically it's not closing all the way, right? So when it's on, it should be closed all the way, but then when you turn it off, it opens up. Now I'll show you guys where this is located. First of all, you have to take off your cabin filter, right, from over here. There's these clips right here, so you just push them one side on both sides and then you pull it out, okay, and then basically this will be exposed. Now if I go ahead and turn it off, the button, you guys will notice here it opens up. When I turn it on, it closes right back up. Now the issue that I had was when the button is on, right, and it's closed, this actually just kind of sits like right here, and I can move it with my hand. You shouldn't be able to move it with your hand at all. It should be closed all the way. And basically the fix for it is, and I'm gonna turn it on and turn it off a few times just so you guys can see. It might be actually super hard to see, but this is the gear, right? This is the gear here. The gear, let me do this. Let me turn it on and off one more time so you guys can see it operate. You see that turning, right? That's on. I mean, the button is off, and then when I turn it on, the flapper will close, the gear goes back up, right? That one should be turning. If it's not turning at all for you, that could be one cause. The other cause for me, it was actually closed. It was it was opening all the way, unlocking up, but it wouldn't close as it's closed now. The other area you want to check, which is, let me lock the focus here, is right back there, right? So let me do it one more time. I'm gonna turn it off, and you're gonna see that moving, right? And when I turn the button on, it's gonna go ahead and close, and that will move. Now the issue that I had, and again, it's gonna be so hard trying to show you guys this. Let me see if I can position the camera there. The problem is there's like nowhere to position the camera. So let me see if I can just set it right here, try to hold it steady with my hand, and come on, focus. All right, so what I had to do is I just used like a long screwdriver, or you can use a pick like this. And what you need to do is you got to try to get in there. You don't even have to, like, whether the flap is on or off, it really varies. You can hold it, like for example in my case, I held it shut, and then I popped, oh my god, where is it? I popped that one of the plastic pieces that's on the right into the left one. There's like a tab. I thought it would be a screw. I'm so glad it's not a screw, because there's no way to actually get in there. You have to take so many things apart. But I went ahead and popped basically the right side into the left side, and then as you can see, it's operating amazing now. So I again, this is gonna be like the hardest to try to show you guys how to do this, but you can kind of see here, basically the right side, and then there's a little gap. There's actually a little plastic piece that's connected to the right hand side, and it locks right into the left one, and that's how you basically get this to work again, by, you know, turning it off and turning it on, and then the flapper will close, and then turning the button off, and then it will open fully. And of course, you know, when it opens fully, it locks, so I can't just grab it and pull it down. As you can see, it locks into position. Beforehand, when I had it open, again, I was able to close it by hand, and then it would just kind of swing back and forth when I let go. I hope this was helpful. Again, just before I kind of let you guys go, if you want to know how to even open all of this, let me set the camera somewhere. So to get this off, right, you're gonna have this on. There's gonna be a little thing here. So basically take everything out of your glove box and then push both sides towards inside, and then basically you just pull it down, and then this little piece on the right hand side will click. So this is basically what's holding. It's behind these plastic pieces. And then another thing which you can do by hand before you remove it fully, and I'll show you guys basically. Another thing you can do if you want is you can actually push this out of the way first, and then go ahead and push these ends in together to get this out of the way. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one.